Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-Lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles northwest of Kenosha, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A severe